This build is dedicated to these guys. Thank you.
What's going on, YouTube? Thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589. And it's me, Leon. And today's project, as y'all can see, is the 1978 Dodge pickup. So let's get into it, y'all.
On YouTube, thank y'all for tuning in to Model Car 1589. And as y'all can see, we're working on that 78 Dodge pickup. I got everything laid out for the base coats. Got some nice rims right here. Keystone Classics I got right there that I'm about to hit with the base coat. All the little pieces from the mini bike to the hood to the interior to the body. All this is about to get put down with the base coat silver. Because I got some ideas right now. So all this is about to get laid down in a silver base coat. And y'all tune in. Now, as y'all can see, I got the base coat on there looking shiny and nice, set right like I want it to be. Check this out right here. This stuff laid down nice and that laid down nice. And this is just the base coat, y'all. This is not even the color of the truck, but it would be nice, huh? I might keep some detail of this base coat on them because I can. But yeah, it's looking nice. It's looking nice. Next is the hood. The hood laid good, both sides. The hood laid good on both sides. The interior did well too. Interior also did well. So I'm loving that. Mini bike did also well. I like the way that it is. I'm gonna detail this up nice because I got the silver. I like that decor. So yes, this is gonna be nice. The mini bike. Then we go to rims. Looking nice. I'm gonna put a lot of detail on that. Y'all gonna be like, wow.